We went right away in the field and started investigating, and we got a source that identified the assailant, one of the assailants, as Katala Robert. And he told us that this man is a thief in the area. We don't know where he got the gun he used to shoot the woman, but we are still investigating the circumstances how he got the gun and where he ran to. This lady could let him go. That is what we've managed to cover now, but we've not yet connected whether they are the same things that have been happening or it is a different case of its own. We have not yet compared the previous cases to what happened yesterday and connected them to this same person, but we are on our own. We are actually doing it right now to see whether this person has ever been reported, because this is his first picture we have ever gotten.